So today for the first time I had Jack in the Box, and guess what I ordered? Did you guess it? I hope you did. Onion rings, and trust me, they did not do my palate justice. So I came home and thought, you know what? We're gonna make our own onion rings, and they're gonna be cheesy, crispy, and delicious. So here we go. So you're gonna start off with about 3 onions. They should be large, so you can cut about an inch size. So after chopping them up, you're gonna remove a layer from the onion ring and then put a smaller layer inside. Then you're gonna get your cheese ready. I used mozzarella. I didn't have the block, so I just used the slices. I used about 3 to 4 slices and then just cut them up into small pieces, just like what I'm doing here. So the pieces that I'm cutting, you're gonna fit them inside the circles of your onion rings, and try not to make them so tight so they don't ooze out as you're frying. Next, you're gonna prepare your coating ingredients. So to one bowl, you're gonna put flour, all-purpose flour. To another bowl, you're gonna whisk about 2 eggs, and to the flour, you're gonna add a little bit of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then you're gonna put breadcrumbs, about 2 cups of breadcrumbs. So you're gonna take your onion ring that has cheese inside, coat it in a bit of the flour. Make sure you mix that flour with the sugar and the salt well. Then you're gonna place this ring into the eggs, and make sure you have a lot of that egg on that ring, and then you're gonna place it in the breadcrumbs. So make sure you're coating the breadcrumbs really well on that onion ring. You don't want the cheese to ooze out. If you do this lightly and don't do it carefully, the cheese might ooze out and splatter everywhere, and you could get seriously burnt because the oil will be hot, of course. So make sure you're packing that in really nicely, because I like an extra crisp on my onion rings. I'm gonna dip the ring into the eggs again and then back into the breadcrumbs. This will give it that extra crispness, but you don't have to, of course. You could just do it one time and it could work, but for the extra crispness, yes, you need to do it twice. So again, you're gonna make sure the crumbs are really onto that ring, packed well, and then it's done, ready for frying. So my oil has only been sitting on the heat for about 5 minutes on medium heat. You don't need to put your oil on high heat because breadcrumbs easily get burnt on high heat, so make sure your oil is not as hot. So you're gonna cook them for about 1 minute each side, and after the 2 minutes, your onion rings should be a lovely golden brown or a dark brown, according to how you like it. So after your 2 minutes are done, you're gonna remove your onion rings from your oil, and I had to show you this onion ring immediately. The crunch was amazing and the cheese inside was delicious. I hope you're gonna try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, and definitely leave a comment down below. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.